This video will show you how to remove the taillights on 2009 through 2014 F-150s.
So the first step of this install is going to be to pop open your tailgate to gain access to the two screws that hold the taillights in on either side. And then we're going to swap out over the bulbs into our new taillight assemblies and reinstall everything. So let's get started. So now I'm just going to use an 8mm socket on a ratchet to remove the two screws and pop the taillights out. And I'm just going to twist out the taillights and leave them attached.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.